An awful lot of people got one of these at home. It's an instability ball, and they just got it laying around. It's flat, it's in the closet, it's getting in the way, the kids are getting into trouble on it. Well, I'm gonna show you today a bunch of different exercises where you're gonna be able to pull out that old stability ball and use it. Now, anytime you're using a stability ball, which actually is an instability ball, you're gonna be working your core. So it's a really important aspect. We have other videos on core exercise, but this is gonna be just exclusively getting you into a point where you can safely and confidently use your stability ball right now, today, at home, okay? So go get your stability ball. First one is called a body saw. Now, if you can do a plank on the stability ball first, well, that's the prerequisite. So you have to be able to do a nice plank on your stability ball. And you can see how to do a plank in a different video. But just keep your back really straight, elbows on the ball. And a body saw looks like this. You're gonna bring those arms up and down, up and down. It's not a long movement, it's really short, and that's very effective, just grabs those abs right away. So you're in this position on the ball, you're gonna move your hands up and down, and you're sort of sawing your face in half. It's called a body saw. If you can do that, we're gonna do some stir the pot. So you're gonna get in the same position, a plank form on the ball, and you're gonna start stirring around in a circle, and then you're gonna change direction. So you can do 2 clockwise, and then 2 counterclockwise, build it up 12, 15, 16 reps. That's a stir the pot. Next, we're gonna use your lower body up on this ball, and we're gonna do some knee tucks up on the ball. So I'll show you that, and it's called jackknives. Come back to me. So you're gonna get your knees on the ball. Some people have a hard time just getting into the position. So I like to get my one leg on, arms on the floor, and then I'm into a straight arm plank. Then I'm just gonna do knee tucks. Trying to keep that spine very neutral. This is also abdominal exercise. It's also excellent cardio. Those are called jackknives. Now, if you want to really start to up the ante, you want to work the posterior core, so the back part of your core, as much as you work the front. And a lot of people come into the gym and all they do is abs, 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 if they do anything at all. But you want to make sure you have a nice, balanced core program, okay? So the next exercise is a supine plank on the stability ball with a leg curl. So you're gonna get your feet up on the ball, you're gonna engage in the plank. You could just do this. That works the glutes, the hamstrings, but I'm gonna take it one step further and up into a leg curl. So this is an excellent leg curl that includes a posterior core workout while you're doing it. Now we're gonna show you a stability ball crunch. This is a pretty classic one on an instability ball. You're just gonna sit on it. And some people have a hard time just sitting on the ball. So if that's where you're at and you're having a hard time just sitting on it, well, get used to it before you engage in any of the more advanced exercises that I'm showing you today. Here's a simple one you can start with, stability ball crunch. So you're just gonna roll out till your lower back is on the ball. Hands up here. You don't wanna be pulling your neck, and you wanna do just a little crunch. It's a partial curl up. So really you're just moving your rib cage closer to your pelvis in the front. It's not a sit up. And you want to leave those abs on the entire time through each rep. You want to do high reps of this, 15 or 20, or whenever you start to feel that burn, do 5 more. Keep that burn going. You could also do a twist crunch on the ball. So you come down, it's very similar to the crunch, but you're just going to twist up, twist, twist. So that's going to bring the obliques into the picture. And then the last one I'm going to show you that you can start today on your stability ball at home is a little bit of a Superman on the ball. This is going to work the posterior again. So you're just going to lay on here and you're going to do a reverse hyperextension. So you're just going to bring your legs up and down. Okay, this is going to work the lower back, work all the leverage of scapulae muscles in there, work your lumbar fascia, so that you have a nice balance to the core. So this is an introduction to stability ball. I hope it's been benefit to you. We'll see you here on the Road to Wellness.